Hi, my name is Andrea La Peña, and in this video, I'm going to present my summary of the individual assignment for this module, Medical Device Technology. In this case, I analyzed the situation of a 50-year-old woman, Mrs. B, diagnosed with epilepsy, and who also has hypertension and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease as comorbidities. Throughout this presentation, I will describe the case understanding the medical device chosen for diagnosis, monitoring, and treatment, their classifications under both US and EU MDR, IVDR, and finally my conclusions. The main condition in this case is epilepsy, a chronic neurological disorder characterized by abnormal and synchronized electrical discharges in the brain, causing current seizures. It was diagnosed 30 years ago, which makes it a long-term and well-established condition. According to Manole et al. 2023 and Smith and Snatcher 2014, epilepsy treatment aims to completely control seizures while minimizing adverse effects. However, drug-resistant epilepsy remains a major challenge in adult patients. The two comorbidities, hypertension and COPD, further complicate the clinical picture. Hypertension, defined as high blood pressure, and COPD, causing airflow limitations and chronic respiratory symptoms. Therefore, understanding the interaction among these conditions is crucial to select the most appropriate medical devices for her diagnosis, monitoring, and treatment. The first device chosen is the arterial blood gas analyzer, an in vitro diagnostic device used to quantify arterial blood parameters such as pH, carbon dioxide, partial pressure of oxygen, oxygen saturation, and bicarbonate. This device helps evaluate the patient's respiratory efficiency, which is particularly relevant for Mrs. B's COPD condition. It can confirm hypoxemia, hypercapnia, or respiratory acidosis, thus guiding oxygen therapy or ventilation. Its materials include medical-grade polymers and single-use cartridges, all tested under ISO 10993 standards for cytotoxicity, sensitization, and hemocompatibility, while following ISO 15190 for infection control. The main advantage is that it provides immediate quantitative results within 1 or 2 minutes. However, it is invasive since it requires arterial function. The second device selected is the Omron M6 Comfort, a software as a medical device for non-invasive monitoring of blood pressure at home. It helps control hypertension accurately and reproducibly, reducing the white coat effect and unnecessary clinical visits. The device was validated according to the European Society of Hypertension International Protocol. Its cuff uses biocompatible materials, and the physiologic control inflation system ensures comfort and safety. Its internal memory stores up to 90 readings and calculates averages, providing reliable long-term monitoring. Limitations include sensitivity to arm movement and arrhythmias, so correct measurement postures is essential. Finally, for treatment, I selected the Responsive Neurostimulation System RNS NeuroPeace, an implantable closed-loop device for drug-resistant focal epilepsy. It continuously monitors brain activity through electrocardiography and delivers targeted electrical stimulation when abnormal activity is detected. The system consists of cranial generator, surface or deep electrodes, and a wireless programmer. Its materials include a titanium hermetic case for corrosion resistance, platinum iridium electrodes, and medical grade silicon insulation, all ensuring biocompatibility and long-term safety. The key four strengths are its personalized simulation, improved quality of life, and reduced adverse effects compared with open-loop devices. Limitations include lower effectiveness than resective surgery, limited data storage, and potential infection risks. Under the US FDA classification system, the ABG analyzer is class 2 with code CHL because it is indirectly invasive and poses low risk. The Omron M6 Comfort is class 2 with a code of DXN as it is an automated non-invasive diagnostic device. And lastly, the RNS Neuropiece, it's class 3 with a code of PFN since it's an active implantable device that directly interacts with the brain and requires strong clinical evidence of safety and efficacy. This information was taken from the official website of US Food and Drug Administration. According to EU regulations 2017-745 and 2017-746, the ABG analyzer is Class C under IVDR Rule number 3, as its results can influence life-critical clinical decisions. The Omron M6 Comfort is Class 2A under MDR Rule number 10 because it measures physiological parameters for long-term monitoring. And lastly, the RNS neuropiece is class 3 under MDR rule number 8 since it's surgically invasive and interacts directly with the central nervous system. Information presented was taken from AMDCG 2021-24 guidance on classification of medical devices. In conclusion, this case highlights the importance of integrating diagnosis, monitoring, and treatment technologies while ensuring regulatory compliance and biocompatibility. The chosen devices, the APG analyzer, Omron M6 Comfort, and RNS Neuropiece, cover the main condition and comorbidities effectively. Understanding their classification, intended use, and limitations allows biomedical engineers to make informed, evidence-based, and ethically responsible decisions aimed at providing patients quality of life. Regarding the use of artificial intelligence in this assignment, it was only applied at level 1, meaning it supported idea generation, structure organizations, translation, and Harvard-style reference formatting. No AI summaries or content generation from external sources were used.